now I'm using the 1.2 instrument. We made the pilot hole. We took an x-ray to assure it's lined up properly. As you can see, I have the base of the instrument slightly positioned to the buccal because of the angulation of the bone. So we are going to be using a custom abutment in this case for sure. Okay. I'm screwing it in a little bit and then I'm waiting for the bone to expand. Right where the threads finish, it's the 8mm mark. And I'm essentially using my two fingers. Focus more on the site. And the second line is coming up, that's the 10mm mark. I'm going to let the instrument sit for a moment so the bone expands. It's probably about type 2, type 3 bone based on what I'm feeling. These instruments become active when you reach the 8mm mark, the end of the thread. So this is again the 1-2 instrument. You never pull these instruments out. You disengage them by rotating them counterclockwise.